In this video, we're going to take you through creating a simple fulfillment rule. So if we're in the and we have a look at our sales orders, so sales orders, when orders come in, we can run rules to process sales orders. We call them fulfillment rules. And these rules use logic to assign the items in a sales order to a courier or freight and their specific service. So that could be DPD, next day, Royal Mail, track 24. So here's our sales orders. We can see that we've got one unprocessed order. So let's create a fulfillment rule. So if we come down to fulfillment, into fulfillment rules, and now we're going to create a new rule. So we'll call this next day delivery. You can run priorities. The inventory mode determines how we are going to process the sales orders given the inventory that you have. So process available means that if someone had ordered two items, one was in stock and one was not in stock, the rule would process the item in stock, send that out, and leave the other item on back order. I mean, if we had ignore inventory, it will just process the sales orders regardless of any inventory that you may hold. We can choose what suits the business best. In this case, we'll process available inventory. Now, this is our rules-based engine. There is a lot of logic available here to write the rules, and rules can be, have multiple layers and groupings of logic. So I would suggest that you speak to your account manager first before attempting to create these. But to create a simple a rule, we could just say everything from the channel. So your channel could be Amazon or eBay or your Shopify website, number one. In this case, everything from this channel will process for next day delivery from the central warehouse. It will be completed at that pack station, and we can assign packaging to that if we want. You don't have to, but you can. This is specifically helpful if your courier, for example, Royal Mail, is specific about the weights or dimensions, etc. All of this is editable at the goods out note, packaging, weights, etc. And indeed the courier that you use. So now we'll assign a courier to this. In this case, we'll just assign our in-house courier. And we have created a fulfillment rule. So if we have a look at this rule, we can see that it's going to be processed in the central warehouse. Be assigned to that pack station. This is the method of delivery, and this is the basic logic. So if we come through to sales now, and we process this sales order, we can see that only one of the items actually has inventory. So it won't process the other items. They will go on back order. And in this case, we'll apply the actions. We've now created the goods out note. And here is the goods out note, ready to go and pick this item. So that's how we create a basic fulfillment rule, process sales orders, and create the goods out note ready for packing and dispatch.